watch a short video of two people talking about something they've seen on a social media platform. Oh my. Jill, did you see the story Ron shared on his profile?
I did. I cannot believe he made such a racist rant. I didn't even know he was a racist.
I guess that goes to show how we really don't know people very well. Do you think he'll get fired?
Well, he was at least smart enough to make it a story instead of a post, so it was ephemeral, not permanent.
I'm sure some people must have screen recorded it though. I'm not sure how many impressions it got, but he used a couple hashtags, so it went out to quite a few people outside his own social network.
I can't believe he would be so stupid. I mean, he must know that people at work would see it.
I guess he just doesn't care. If he gets fired, he will have trouble finding another job too.
Do you think so? What makes you say that?
Nowadays, a lot of HR departments, especially the ones in highly visible companies, do a social media search on potential employees before hiring them. It's a new form of background checks.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Do you think our HR keeps an eye on our social media posts?
I wouldn't be surprised, but normally they only check out profiles before hiring someone.
If that's the case, Ron is probably going to have a difficult time finding a new job.
He sure is.